Today, I will show you how to transfer money from your Starling Bank account to another bank using the app. Start by tapping on the Payments tab at the bottom of your screen. Choose the option to add a new payee. A page will appear asking for the full name of the person or business you want to pay. Type in the correct name as it appears on their bank account. Next, you will be asked to enter the sort code and account number. Check these details carefully, as your money will be sent based on this information. The app may confirm if the details look correct. Once you are happy with everything, tap Save to add the new payee. You may be asked to enter your password or use face or fingerprint recognition to confirm this step. When it is confirmed, choose the new payee from your list and select Pay. Now enter the amount you want to send. For example, you could type £10. Below that, add a payment reference. Tap Review Payment to see the summary. Make sure the name, account number, and amount are all correct. If everything looks right, tap Make Payment at the bottom of the screen. The app will process the transfer, and you should receive a message confirming that the payment was successful. That is how you transfer money using Starling Bank. Thanks for watching.